Hi everyone, welcome back to KAFFY'S kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken. Sit back, relax and enjoy. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are a new subscriber to this channel. Thank you very much. So first step to do is to add the black pepper into the flour, mix it together with the spices and stir it together very well. Next thing, add the chicken into the egg, then dip it in the flour and also put it back in the egg and put it with the breadcrumbs. Set it aside. Continue this process till you are done with all the chicken. So you heat up the oil and start frying the chicken. Make sure the fire is on a medium heat so that it will allow the chicken to cook very well. And also you don't want to put the heat so high so that it doesn't make the chicken to be dark and not cook. So put it on a medium heat for like 10 to 12 minutes until it's golden brown and you're sure that it's very cooked. Now it's about 12 minutes and the chicken is well cooked now. So all you need to do is take it out from the oil, put it in a towel paper to absorb the oil, and you are ready to go. These are the crispy fried chicken. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to stay safe. Love you. Bye.